Looks like another miss.
I wouldn't want to say you're wrong, Marshal, but I didn't miss it.
I don't see any mark, except maybe this scratch on the inside rim.
That was my mistake. I shot through it.
You missed it.
Can I borrow this for a minute?
Yeah?
I'll do it again if you want.
You mean you want another shot? Is that it?
No, not exactly. I'll tell you what. If I hit it, I win. If I miss it, I lose. You don't have to shoot.
Now, Lynn, don't go making any such fool deal as that. If you're gonna have to shoot, he's gonna have to shoot.
I'll take that bet.
Lynn McAdam says he's going to shoot a hole through this here postage stamp. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
The winner! Fine shooting.
Thank you.
Now, the boys would like to engrave your name here on the gun stock. So if you let us have it, you can pick it up in the morning.
Oh, it's real nice of them. I appreciate it.
How much would it take for it?
It's not for sale.
That's too bad. That's too much gun for a man to have just for shooting rabbits.
Or for shooting men in the back.
If it's all right with you, I'll get my gun.
You mean you're pulling out of town?
Yeah.
All right. Get your gear and stop by the office, and Virgil will let you have your guns. And see that you get out of town.
Guess we won't have time for that engraving.
I suppose you're pulling out, too.
That's right.
All right.
I want to congratulate you, McAdam. That was real fine shooting.
Fine, thanks. You pick up the guns and the horses, I'll get the stuff out of the room.
Yes, sir. I can't think of anyone I'd rather see own that gun except maybe me.
All right, thank you.
Understand, I don't care what they do to each other once they leave town. But there'll be no gunfighting until...
I understand perfectly, and I promise you there won't be.
Virgil, did Dutch Henry pick up his gun?
No, he didn't pick it up. I think this is his.
I thought he was going to come by.
Now, Wyatt, how could he come by and pick it up if it's still here? Sometimes you don't make sense. Of course he didn't come by or I'd have seen him. Why he been here?
Dutch! It's Wyatt Earp. It's Earp and he's outgunned. Let's get out of here.
I don't know what your quarrel was before, but you can add the rifle to it now.